What is legal ethics in tax law? Have you ever wondered how tax professionals navigate the tricky waters of tax law while maintaining ethical standards? Legal ethics in tax law is a fascinating area that combines the rules of law with moral principles. It guides tax professionals in their conduct and decision-making. At its core, legal ethics in tax law involves principles that ensure lawyers and tax advisors act responsibly and honestly while representing clients. One major aspect is compliance with tax laws and regulations. Tax professionals must ensure their advice aligns with both the letter and spirit of the law. This means avoiding any actions that could be seen as tax evasion or fraud. Even when aggressive tax planning might seem tempting, it is essential to stay within legal boundaries. Transparency and honesty are also vital. Ethical tax practice requires clear communication with clients about the risks of various tax strategies. Tax professionals should never mislead clients or tax authorities. They must disclose relevant information honestly to maintain trust. Professional responsibility is another key element. Tax lawyers have fiduciary duties to act in their clients' best interests. However, they must also follow ethical rules and legal standards. This includes avoiding conflicts of interest and keeping client information confidential. Navigating legal indeterminacy is a challenge in tax law. Tax laws can often be ambiguous, and ethical tax professionals must exercise careful judgment. They need to recognize when they might be crossing into a legal territory, even if the law allows for some flexibility in interpretation. It is also important to avoid abusing the tax system. While it is acceptable to arrange financial affairs to minimize tax liability, ethical practice rejects schemes that aim solely to evade taxes without any real economic substance. Tax lawyers are bound by professional codes of conduct, such as Circular 230 in the United States. This outlines their duties and restrictions when practicing before the Internal Revenue Service. From an ethical and moral standpoint, legal ethics in tax law emphasizes fairness and respect for the law. It supports the integrity of the tax system, which is essential for a functioning society. In practical terms, ethical tax lawyering involves advising clients on lawful tax planning strategies. It also means avoiding participation in schemes that exploit legal loopholes unethically. Maintaining transparency with clients and tax authorities is crucial. Tax professionals should continuously reflect on the moral implications of their advice and actions. Legal ethics in tax law serves as a framework for tax professionals. It guides them to act with integrity while balancing their role as advocates for clients and their responsibility to uphold the law. This balance is vital for contributing to a fair and just tax system.